to DIY with the
Bubbly Kids.
Good job. Okay. I don't know where this toilet paper came from. This is what happens when you're crafting with 3 kids.
It came from under there.
Oh boy. Okay. So we have a fun. We have a fun gift idea. Okay. The babies need to go away so we can work on their workspace. We need to be able to work in our workspace. Can the baby be laid down? Lay the babies down. Put them in the nights. Okay. So I went to the dollar store today. Is that Mommy's favorite store? Yeah, that's Mom's favorite store.
And got these.
And I got those. So I got some gloves. And I got some. Oh no, where did my ribbon go, guys?
Where's here?
Where did my ribbon go? Oh, Bobby has it. Okay, good. And I got some. What are these? What are these called? Candies? Candies. So these will work.
What's this?
This is tape. This will work with king size bars.
Ow!
Oh my goodness gracious. King size bars and if you want to use those. But the dollar store did not have king size bars and I did not want to go to Walmart. So here we go. This is what we got. Okay, baby is supposed to be going to bed because this is super fun. You're going to give it to Jillian. Is that who you're going to give this to? Okay, so what we're going to do is
I'm going to bring this to Mommy.
okay, listen, excuse me. We need to scoot over. The baby needs to go to bed. Baby needs to go to bed. We're going to wrap our little thingy here.
What?
We're going to wrap it. And actually, I don't think I even need to. You want candy?
Yeah.
Okay, listen. We're going to wrap this present. We're going to take construction paper and we are going to wrap the candy bars up, okay? Hold on.
I'm going to do this one.
Hold on a second. Okay, who wants to do the tape?
Me.
Okay, do the tape.
I'm doing this one all
Put the
by
tape right there.
I'm doing this one all by myself.
Okay.
I'm doing this one all by myself.
Okay, and then we're going to fold at the sides, huh?
I'm
Yep.
doing.
Okay. Let Mommy get the tape out though.
Hey, Mommy.
Okay. Put it right there. This is coming from a kid, so it's obviously not going to be perfect. We have to let the perfectionism go. It's hard to do. Would that be fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy.
Okay.
I'm not showing you who I'm doing.
Okay. Hold on, Jillian.
give
Hold the paper down, Jillian. Hold the paper down.
Okay.
There you go. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're so strange. You are a strange child. Okay, so now we have all of our candies wrapped. Caleb is still working on his. Perfect. Good job, Bob. So, no, don't put tape in your mouth. That is gross. Gross. Oh, my goodness.
No, Bobby.
That is gross.
No,
Okay, so now we are going to... Did you just lick that? No. Somebody's going to get a little extra Hannah love. Oh, my Atlantis. I can't handle it. You need to sit down and the baby needs to go back to bed.
No.
Oh, yes. Okay, I need your hand. This is very important, but now we need your hand. This might not work on a little person's hand because it is a big person glove.
Mommy.
Okay. Put your fingers all through the glove, the fingers.
And this. I will do that one.
So then we're going to put the glove on. Nope. This glove has to go on top of this glove. So put your gloved hand right in here. Okay?
Done.
Okay, so you have 2 gloves on one hand. So then we are going to take the glove off the hand, and you have this nice glove here. So what we're gonna do is Hannah, pay attention, honey. Can you hold your thing there? Perfect. Scoot up. Okay, hold it up. No, hold your present up.
How do you do this?
There we go. Okay. So we're going to cover the glove over our. Does that look pretty funny? Does that look funny? That looks pretty funny, huh? Okay, so now I have some twine, and we're going to cut the twine. And then we are going to tie the fingers. Oh boy. The fingers of our glove like this. So now we have this super cute little hat that kind of looks like weird fingers. Okay, hold on. So now we have to do
the other glove.
We're gonna fold this over. So now we have a nice little brimmed hat. Doesn't that look nice? Doesn't that look fun? That's fun. Okay. So then Mama's got a marker in her pocket over here.
Here.
I got a black marker. Hold on.
I'm going to do it by myself.
Mama's gonna do this part. Gonna do 2 circles, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna color that in.
Are you making me?
Am I making you? No, I'm not exactly making you. And then hold on, I'll do yours in a minute. I'm gonna make Hannah's. Okay, and then we're gonna color this in.
I can do it. I can make my own.
Okay. Okay, and then I need this for me. Here, I will let you hold it. You hold it, but Mama's gonna use her hand. Dot, dot, dot.
It's a snowman.
Dot, dot. Yay!
Yeah.
Now, do you want glitter ribbon?
Yeah. Mommy.
Hold on, just a second, please. What, honey?
Mine.
Boy, gets everywhere. Whoever's gonna get this is gonna love you. Look at all this glitter. Look at all that glitter.
Oh, that's how I am making a snowman?
And then, yep, we're gonna make our little scarf here. So I'm not gluing anything today. We're going to use the tape. That's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna
do it.
Okay, you can do the little tape right there. If you're at home, you can do the glue. I'm not gonna mess with the glue tonight. But here we go. We got our cute little snowman present. So you got candy and a useful gift of a glove. So you can use the gloves for the hat. Okay, now take your present and go put it underneath the Christmas tree. No, so first, Caleb, you have to put the glove on one hand. Put one glove on. Yes, we gotta put your glove on.
I did.
No, like, watch Mama. Mama's gonna show you when she does Jillian's, okay? So you put the glove on like this.
Okay.
So you put the glove on, and then you put the other glove on top of that.
Me do it.
Okay? So there we go. So then we got both the gloves, and we're gonna pull it off.
Mom.
Okay. This time, Mommy's going to.
I did it.
You did it? Good job. Are both of them in? Good job. Now carefully take it off. So pull both gloves off at the same time. Good job. Let's see if we can do a better job of
taking off the glove.
Of Mom tying this one so it doesn't look so silly.
Mom!
Okay.
I'm trying again.
Okay, hold on just a second, please.
Hi.
We're going to tie this again. Tie, tie, tie. So then we got, again, a nice little hat going on here with the gloves.
We have to do the old.
And then, hold on. Mama's going to do the color. Mama, do the color.
No, me do this.
I will let you help in just a minute. Hold on. Can you put your hand on this marker?
I put my baby.
Mom can't draw if her life depended on it, can she? Okay, hold on. You're going to do the dots. I got to do the nose. Let Mama do the nose.
No.
Okay, you gonna help? Oh boy. That's a little bit of a crooked nose. Okay. Yep. Perfect. Okay. And then we're gonna do dot, 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 dot. Yay! And then we're gonna put our glitter, our fun little scarf on, with our ribbon. There we go.
I can't do it.
Hold on, Mama will help you in just a minute. Okay, you want to show everybody your finished snowman present? Look at that, Jillian. Look at that. Is that cool? I need the markers back for brother. Okay, you can go take your present. Go put it underneath the Christmas tree.
I did mine.
You put yours underneath the Christmas tree? Okay, that's okay.
Our first present.
Here, go put it underneath the Christmas tree. Jillian in. Okay, perfect. We'll go right there. Okay, do you need help, buddy? Okay, that's okay. So again, we put our fingers in here. Then we put this second one on. You did really good. Yeah. Okay. Why don't you move over here? Okay. Then we put this part on like this. Okay.
I can do the coloring.
Yes, you're gonna do the coloring. You can do the face. You want to do the face?
Yes.
Okay. I want to tie the top. Where'd my twine go? Right in front of my face again. Remember, we gotta do the twine part.
Yeah. You're the one who has to do that part. I get to do that.
The king size candy bars work the perfectest. Most perfect. The most wonderful. I don't know. Grammar is not my strong suit. So, there we go. We're going to just double tie this, Caleb. So, see, now we got our nice little hat. It's perfect because you get a fun little sweet treat, but you get a usable gift as well.
This one is flatter over there.
No, but you got to use this side because this is your tape side. So you have to use a nice side for the face. Can we put the ribbon on and then you can write on who it's for later? Got to get your tape again.
That's what I'll do. I'll do the taping part.
You do the taping part. Okay. There we go. You want to show everybody it? It's all done. There we go. And he's going to put on who it's for on the back, and I am not allowed to see it. So I am going to get going, but we look forward to seeing you next week.